Up there, guys. Today I'm unboxing a few stuff because I decided to get more cubes after I learned how to solve a 3x3. So we have a pyraminx, well, void pyraminx. It's this little triangle-shaped hole to, like, spy on the packaging through. That's a bit pointless now that I think of it. Oh, sorry, I mean magic tower. I don't know why. It's reversed for you guys. Okay, so let's just open this. Wow, no annoying tapes or anything. It's just normal unboxing. Is this instructions? Like on how to solve? Seriously? I think there's just... Oh. Okay, so there's no tips on this. It's something that I noticed, like, immediately. Oh, it's a stickered cube. I don't have those. Well, now I do. Alright, let's see how it turns. Oops. Centerpiece. Well, there are no centers on a void pyraminx. Okay. So, overall, turning is... Well, it's alright for a cube that doesn't even have any centers. It's just that I have to do, like, wrist turns on this. Alright, I'm gonna scramble this later in the video. Okay, so the next thing we have is this. Oh, you probably can't guess. It is a Maylong's cube! I don't know how I didn't notice that other one was stickered, though. I guess I'm just dumb. Anyways, we have cube instructions. Okay, so... Yeet. Okay. Oh, that's how a cube turns. Oh, no, wait, no, please don't. Please don't be like one of those cubes where you can, like, turn out while it's only a tiny bit turned and then it's just really weird. Oh, no, it doesn't do that. Okay. Wait, what? What just happened? This isn't normal. Wait a second. Oh, yeah, because it has, like, really weird turns. Wow, I've never seen this cube being used. I think this is, like, really weird. This is, like, the weirdest cube ever. It's just, like... Oh, yeah, turn the cube, okay. Yeah. And then a few other stuff that I got. First of all, a bag. Yes, a bag. And then guess what's inside? It's a whole amount of stands. Like, way too many. I got 4. Well, actually, I got 5. Okay, so, I'm actually already using one of the stands. But yeah, that's all pretty much for this unboxing. There's also this code. I'm gonna scan it. So, goodbye, and shop at speedcubeshop. And I don't have a discount code, so just look for a YouTuber that does have a discount code. Bye! It'll be in a separate video on the solves on these things, by the way.